Baby versus baby. Hajime. Oh. Today we're going to do two-step bars like this. Ooh. These are just bars. I wrote that one uneven, but you get the idea. Okay, the way it works is that we have a word problem. Let's say Lucy has 27 gorillas. Okay, 27 gorillas. So we write a bar that represents those 27 gorillas. Okay, this bar is going to represent 27 gorillas. Okay, and now let's say that the zoo comes up to Lucy and takes away 5 of those gorillas. So then we shade in a part of the bar that we think is worth 5 gorillas. I'm gonna shade in this much. And that'll be equal to 5. The shaded in part is equal to 5. The rest of this part, the part that is not shaded in, is equal to 27 minus 5. Okay? Because it was originally just 27, but then we shaded in 5. And then let's say that another zoo comes in and takes 10 gorillas. I'm going to say this is equal to 10. We shaded in another part. We shaded in 10. Okay? This part is equal to 10. Then we're asked, how many gorillas does Lucy have left? Well, that'd be easy. It's just this part right here, the part that's not shaded in. Well, the part that's not shaded in is going to be equal to 27, and then obviously minus this shaded in part, 5, and minus this shaded in part, which is 10. And 27 minus 5, we do 27 minus 5 first, is equal to 22, and then 22 minus 10 is equal to 12. Oops. So the not shaded in part is equal to 12. And that's how you do it with two-step word problems with strip diagrams. Use the bar like that. Okay, now let's do an addition one. Where's this? Let's say Jake has 50 lions. Okay, this is, oops. Boop, 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 boop. We're going to erase it a little bit straight off. Oh, that was a little bit better. Okay. 50 lines. This is equal to 50. This whole thing is equal to 50 lines. Then 25 lines run away. So put that right there. And we shade in the part that we think is 25. I'm going to shade in that much. 25 is about half. Okay. And then 10 lines come back. 10 lines come back. So I'll add a piece that I think is worth 10 lines. But this is worth 25. And this is worth 10. So how many lines does he have left? Okay, well, first we got to see the amount of lines he has left is equal to this part, the not shaded in part, and that is going to equal, the not shaded in part is going to be equal to 50, because the whole thing, minus that 25, that shaded in part, and then plus this not shaded in part. Okay, 50 minus 25. 50 minus 25 is equal to 25, which means that this not shaded in part is equal to 25, this one right here. And then that's just 25 plus 10, which is just 35. So this whole thing right here is equal, here, this whole thing right here is equal to 35. That's how you do it. Stay at school.